Hi, you see these beautiful lemons? Well, we're going to make something really fabulous. Limoncello, that's the Italian after dinner drink. Here's some that's already finished, but I'm going to show you how to make it. It's so delicious. The recipe comes from the Amalfi Coast where they grow lemons 4 times the size of this. These look like big lemons, but they're really big over there. And you keep it in your refrigerator or your freezer so it's nice and cold. And it's an after dinner liqueur. It's really lovely. I'm going to take a little sip. Yummy. This is homemade. I made this a few months ago. Now we're going to make a new one. So to begin, we have 5 lemons here. The recipe is very like on a sliding scale. If you have 5 lemons that are a little bit smaller, actually it still works. You can throw in another lemon. We're going to be using later 2 cups of vodka. But to begin, we're going to cut the lemon, and we only want the peel, and we only want the yellow part of the peel. So you have to be very careful to just get the yellow and not any of the white. So you can see if you do get the white, this is what it looks like. And that white part can be bitter. So you want to try to keep it as yellow as possible. So that pretty much does it. That's the most tedious part, that's the hardest part, and after this it's all downhill and easy. So get a vodka that has no flavor. I try to find the one that's has no flavor at all, and usually vodka has no flavor. A lot of people use grain alcohol. If you can get it, that works just as well. But 2 cups of vodka, and we're going to put it into this mason jar. And then we're going to add the lemon peels. Oh, there we go. Ooh, wow. Just enough. So in go all of the lemon peels. And then you're going to cover this up and you're going to let it sit at room temperature for about 10 days. There we go. Okay, so it's 10 days later. We've had our lemon peels sitting in the vodka. You can see how the liquid got nice and yellow. So now we do the second part of making limoncello. I'm going to take the cover off. We want to just drain the flavored vodka of the lemon peel. So I have here a little colander in this bowl, and I'm just going to pour it right in there. Simple syrup is very simple. All it is water and sugar. You mix it together and you heat it so that the sugar melts, and then you have simple syrup. You can add that to lemon juice and make a nice fresh lemonade, but we're going to add it to our limoncello. Okay, so I have here 2 cups of water. I'm going to put it in this pot. I have the heat on. I just put the heat on. And here we have 1/2 pound of granulated sugar. So you can either wait for your water to start simmering to add your sugar, or put it in right from the top. Okay, so our sugar has completely dissolved in the water. We just want it to be totally dissolved. And now we're going to take this off the heat and let it cool completely before we add it to the flavored vodka. Our simple syrup has now cooled. I'm going to put it in this mixing bowl. Okay, and now we're going to add the lemon flavored vodka. Is it going to fit? Oh, it's going to just fit. Okay, now you may think, let's have some limoncello, but it's not ready yet. I'm going to put the cover on. I'll wipe down the bottle, leave this out at room temperature for another 10 days. We want those flavors to really mix together before limoncello is ready. Hi, the limoncello is ready. It sat for 10 days after we put this simple syrup in, and then the last couple of days I put it in the refrigerator so it got nice and icy. You really want to drink this when it's cold. So I'm just going to pour us a little toast so we can taste it. I have my little boot glasses here. That's a favorite of my classes. At the end of a class we take out the boots and taste something like this. So let's have a little toast and taste this. Chin chin. So good. It's delicious. It really came out nice. So try this. You can see how easy it is. It's just that little wait time in between, but it's perfect. It's a perfect reward once you get it. I have to have a little more. So I'm Chef Paulette, chefpaulette.net. Don't forget, I just put out this beautiful cookbook, the Easy Italian Cookbook. You can get it on Parnassus, on Amazon, and Chef Paulette on Facebook, and Italian Cooking Party on Instagram. So I hope I'll see you soon. And I'm gonna have just a little bit more. Perfect.